Hi, this is a quick video on how to change the oil in a Generac 7500E generator. This is a nice generator that I recently purchased. It has electric start, it has lots of power, and with the bigger wheels it's fairly easy to move around when you need to. I only have 5 hours on it, but it should be broken in and I want to get some better oil in it. So this generator came with 1 liter of Generac standard 10W30 conventional oil, and I'm going to change it over to the AMSOIL synthetic small engine oil, also in 1030. The synthetic oil will help starting, especially in cold weather. It will also offer better protection, and the oil life will be a lot longer. And I was thinking about putting the 530 in, but I don't have any right now. The 530 would be better for the winter, better yet. So next time I will put 530 in this generator, because I do sometimes use it in the winter. But let's get started. So there's only one thing I don't like about this generator, is that you have to charge the battery separate from just running it. And to charge it, you have to undo one of the connections, plug the charger in, and then to use electric start again, you have to take the charger off, unplug the connection, and then plug in the connection for electric start. So I don't know, it's a bit of a pain, but it always starts first pull, which is good. My old generator, which was a Champion, took quite a few pulls to start. So I've got the generator warmed up to warm up the oil, and that should help it flow out. And you're going to need a 12mm socket, a funnel, a container to drain into, and your new oil. So this is your oil fill right here. You can remove that. So that's somewhere safe for now. And then take a 12mm. Drain plug right here. And the oil does look kind of dirty for only 5 hours. New motor, it's good to change the oil after short break-in time. If you want, you can also tip it to drain it out faster, but it is a big generator. So with the draining complete, we can now reinsert our drain plug and insert a funnel. Add our oil. I'm going to add a full quart and then check the level. The quart is a little bit less than a liter, so we're going to have to add a little bit more. On this guy, you check the level with the fill completely in. You have to screw it all the way in. I need about 50 more milliliters. And it looks like we're much there. So we're, yeah, not quite to the H, but I can see the oil level there and the threads, and I'm not going to get much more in there. So I'm going to leave it there. Alright, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that stuff. Have a good one.